At JCB, we understand the importance of machine uptime. So, when an important machine component fails, what can we do about it? Well, you could get it repaired and face the unknown costs with a limited warranty. Or you could buy a remanufactured component from JCB Reman. JCB Reman is a program available from your JCB dealer. It offers JCB remanufactured components and parts such as engines, transmissions, fuel injection equipment, and hydraulics. With typical savings at an average of 30% compared to new JCB parts, plus an as-new warranty, and sustainable manufacturing, saving the use of raw materials and energy, JCB Reman ticks all the boxes. So, how does it work? Well, the process is very simple. When a component fails, your JCB dealer orders a high-quality remanufactured replacement from the JCB Parts Distribution Center, which includes a core deposit. The remanufactured component will then be fitted by our skilled technicians, getting you and your machine back to work in no time. The dealer then sends the failed component back to our return center for inspection. Once the inspection is complete, a core credit is issued to the dealer and then issued back to you, the customer. Meanwhile, the old component is disassembled, cleaned, and inspected, ensuring each part is thoroughly checked against the latest JCB specifications. Any parts that do not meet our standards are then either recycled or remanufactured. Then, remanufactured replacement parts are fitted. The complete component is then inspected and tested to ensure it performs to the highest standards. JCB Reman, the cost-effective solution with guaranteed quality built in. For more information about JCB Reman, talk to your JCB dealer.